Hello, my name is Luis Borrero. I'm a fine artist and I've been teaching for the last 20 years educating young artists in the art of painting. I want to invite you to my newest course, a course dedicated to Vermeer's oil painting techniques. In this course, we're going to be copying Vermeer's masterpiece, The Girl with the Pearl Earring.
How did Vermeer of Delft create such marvelous effects in his masterpiece, The Girl with the Pearl Earring? In this course, I guide the student through the entire process of recreating a copy of The Girl with the Pearl Earring using historical oil painting techniques. Students will learn how Vermeer used a complex buildup of layers known as indirect painting. This system of layers usually began with a monochromatic stage and the subsequent application of semi-opaque or transparent layers of color to create a rich sense of atmosphere and depth in the finished painting. By the end of this course, students can expect to learn the following skills: how to transfer an underdrawing to the canvas, monochromatic painting using two or three colors, subtle modeling of form and flesh tints, the use of warm and cool color transitions to create the illusion of form, how to glaze using an underpainting and transparent colors, their proper use of fat over lean practice.
I want to invite everyone to join my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram page, Luis Borrero Art, where you can learn more about my teaching.